dragging a hose off his truck. I mean, I've been there too, but this guy's been dragging it for like, what, 10 miles? Blew a tire on his truck, and I think he just realized. Hopefully that's your stop, homeboy. Because, yeah, he blew that outside tire right there, too. Thanks. This one's deeper for sure. We're still 2 miles away, dude. Uh-oh. Man, guys, welcome back. We are way out in the boonies, man, checking out a project. Took some time. There's a large project that we have a chance of bidding. And had to download the prints to the iPad. Mr. Dylan, shout out, had us all covered on our way down here. Make sure we could see the prints, the geotech, everything offline. Because we are, I mean, not just a little bit in the woods, we are a lot of bit in the woods. And that's like the 6th or 7th creek we've crossed on the main road. And we're checking this out, getting him some intel. We're gonna fly the drone over it. I need to make sure and look at everything. Different designed work for us. We're normally a utility dirt contractor. This is basically a road expansion from a landslide. Kind of cool. Different for sure. So I wanted to come put eyes on it. Man, the amount of rock I'm seeing is slightly petrifying, but at the same time, we said we'd come out here and take a look, and that's what we're doing. Wish us luck that we get in and out of here. We're still 1.5 miles away here. And we're starting to get a little sketch, not gonna lie. This is intense. I don't know if we're gonna be able to turn around when we get up here. Like, ain't no turn around there, you go straight down. Like, straight down, dude. That's that 3-way intersection right there, right?
Yep.
And we turned right here as the road came back. There's a road close sign right there. Guys, we are way, way back in here. Like 8 miles from the highway back in here. And this section of road, I guess, had a landslide at one point. And we're here checking it out. Kind of a unique opportunity, different one to be a part of. But about 800 foot a section of road we've got to get rebuilt. Download your plans. If you guys are septic installers or you got to go off way out in the boonies and you think you're not going to have cell service, just download your prints or screenshot them, whatever you got to do. But make sure you got access to them offline. Take some pictures for old Dylan. Talk about a view. My gosh, look at that. From what I see, I think basically where the truck is, there's gonna be another grade around this hill as we're gonna keep walking, but there's these washouts, these landslide washouts that just literally, they've just got them cleared, but there's 2 of them, there's 2 more. Essentially 2 or 3 major landslides that came down this hillside and washed this road out. And it's pretty crazy, honestly. Unbelievable view though. Unbelievable view. Wish every day my phone didn't ring like this. Sitting here stinking stressing about all the things I'm missing. Hello, boys. Out over by beautiful Grand Lake, and little speed bump here. Essentially gonna help a guy over here do some digging, and they're an electric contractor, and we're gonna come over here and see if we can't help them for the next couple of weeks. They need a crew, got everything approved, needed to have some pretty hefty insurance that thank the good Lord we have, and I'm gonna go find out exactly what's needed over here. Got you guys with us. We're gonna have Jesus with us this morning, and what a beautiful day. I gotta tell you guys, and that Dylan is also involved in this and starts learning a little bit of the jargon and can set you up for Mondays off of the terminology that comes in, and hopefully alleviate a little bit of admin stuff, so that way it's not a, man, God bless, we should just do this ourselves, you know what I mean? Because I want it to be a partnership, truly.
We'll be able to look at it and make sense of something, you know. Like,
for layout stuff, we're just kind of like, we got to be a certain distance from the old one, or we'll stake it. And then
there's not as many rules as you would find in town. Like, you don't have to be 5 foot off the water.
Okay, awesome.
There is no gas, so luckily there's not any.
So just water and electric, and they're running together.
We got off of, had gas, but no tracers. Nobody knew where it was. You know, it's a whole deal when you get the dang gas.
Oh yeah, especially over there nowadays. Buddy. 1981. My Jesus. I bet that's either AC or cast. That's cool.
Your daddy was just learning.
Get out of here. I gotta get.
awesome.
I'm glad you were here. You did well. Great questions.
That's super nice out here.
Dude, right? Get to watch deer in the lake. Got a bunch of old electric, primary and secondary electric that feed all these nice, beautiful lake homes here. Essentially, the electric department is tired of servicing it. They have tons of outages nonstop. We're replacing all of the underground electrical infrastructure, and then I'm assuming they're probably gonna do the water at some point. While from transformer run to transformer run, we're basically going to establish new pipe, new wire, and then they're going to build a transformer either on either end, tie in the homes, and then they'll go ahead and delete this existing wire. It's running right on top of the water line, it's in the same ditch, and they do believe that also attests to some of their issues, right? It's super hard to service, and there's no conduit around it. It's all just direct buried, just wire in the ground on top of the water line. Yeah, so unique experience. We're gonna be, you know, it's a test to who we are and what we're doing. Everything we've done in town prepares us for this. We know where the services may or may not be. We've got an understanding, you know, hey, let's dig around this tee to get an idea where this leg, 6-inch leg runs off this hydrant, those kind of situations. So we're not just attacking this, hey, we're coming out here to dig a hole. We're forming a partnership, helping somebody do what they do, keep the main thing. They're wire pullers, they're not ditch diggers, bringing in us. And I'm really excited to get this partnership formed and get going. So here we go.